What's up, guys? Thank you so much for joining my channel. Naturally Me Dion here. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Naturally Me Dion, baby. And let me tell you something. Today, girl, I'm gonna give you guys a look that has been waiting. Okay, let me tell you, I have tried to record this video. I've had this palette for, oh my god, for about 2 weeks. I had a video recorded. I didn't like what was going on with it, so I said, let's just do it again. Let's try it again because, you know, I want it to my liking, okay? So girl, I did pick up the Anastasia Amrezy palette. Oh, palette. And let me tell you something, girl, when you open this palette up, it looks so stunning. That's what they say, stunning. It looks good, girl. Let me tell y'all something. So it looks like I probably haven't even used it yet, which I did use it one time. I really like this palette. I got my palette from Ulta Beauty. Fell in love with the way it looks because you guys know that if it's a bum palette, I like it. I'm gonna get it. So this palette here can be a little bit on the norm or a little bit on the dramatic side. It's up to you. I really do like the top layer here because that's more your sheer and pressed glitter, so I really do like that. And give you a look using this palette. I already did my brows because I didn't want to hold y'all like that, but now what I'm going to do is go into my Fendi powder, do something I haven't done in a long time just to see how it's gonna react. Okay, not saying that it's gonna make it, but we're gonna see. So I'm just gonna use a little bit on this top here, get a little of this powder off there, and I'm just gonna set this concealer because I'm gonna see what happens when I set it. See how long the look lasts. Okay, let me tell you. So girl, I went back to work and let me tell y'all, I know you want to hear it. Life has changed during this pandemic. You know, life has changed. So it's a lot of different things. If you're in the makeup world and you're looking for your shades of foundation, you can't really do what you used to do. You know, we used to be able to like try things out. Not no more. No, see, you gotta come in, know what you want already, grab that thing or try it at home, girl. It's safe now, okay? So we got to be safe. So what I'm gonna do here is a dive into, I wanna say 1988. I'm gonna dive into this color here and I'm gonna see what kind of payoff that gives me. And I'm definitely gonna use another Anastasia brush. I'm not using the ones in the palette, I'm using this one here. And they shouldn't be too different. You know I love my browns now. 1988, that probably give me like back in the day probably. Like she tried to go back in the day. So I did already put a concealer on my eyes. And I used my Tarte Shape Tape, you know, to seal the deal. So I'm just gonna put this on like so. Oh yes, I really like the way that looks. I like the fact that it is very light-handed, you know, because you can just, a safe palette, you can kind of just do what you want, get the day over with, you know what I'm saying? So let's go into this. I'm gonna call this safe way. Okay. No. Okay. Color here. I like the way it looks going on. When you do your left side, do you guys kind of like get like nervous like me? Because like, do you just feel like it's not gonna go the same way the right side go? It's like, it's always different. Even with a cut crease, sometimes I can't get it right because I'm constantly like, oh Lord, it's not the same. It's not the same. So I'm just gonna warm this crease up a little bit more. I'm gonna definitely dive into Yogo. Yogo is a deep brown. Gonna dive into Yogo using that same brush, girl. Hey, these words in this palette is a little different. She is different. So I'm gonna just tap that Yogo into the crease of that eye, just to kind of darken the crease up a little bit. Not much, but a little bit of darkness into the crease area. So now, girls, and now it's time for the fun to begin. I think it's time for the fun to begin. So I'm gonna grab another brush, and I'm definitely gonna dive into Sanamasaya. It'll just get a little color. So guys, now what I'm doing is going back in with the same colors that I was using, and I'm just going in to tap those edges to bring them in real nice. Make sure it's a clean look, more so like smoky. And also guys, the white stuff that's on my edge, that is from my edge control. Trust me, I struggled putting this video out because I did not like what I saw. But hey, I'm trying to get over that where I let stuff hold me back because I think it looks horrible. So it really took a lot out of me to put the video out, even though this situation happened, discoloration to the hairline. But that's okay. Thank you for not talking about me. So yeah, it's just edge control, turning white. Yeah. So I'm just using my Tart by Shape Tape Tan Sand, and I'm just going underneath the eye, just trying to blend it in. So this here is one of my fave, and this is by Superstay Maybelline. I love this foundation powder. I like to use this to set, well not to set, but to contour. So now guys, I'm diving back into the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to do perhaps this pink color here underneath the eye. Let me give you something. So guys, while I'm finishing up this look, I'm definitely going to use my lipstick, okay? And this is Lunch by me. More information is coming soon. I'm so excited about it. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this lipstick, and it is matte, okay? Because you guys know me, I love for my lipstick to be very mattifying, and the color is called Stoned. Okay, Stoned. I'm so excited. We're gonna see. I don't know if this look is gonna go good, but hey, let's see. So by me being so excited about this lipstick, so guys, this is my finished look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My thoughts on the new Anastasia palette, which I don't think it's really like that new, like it's been out about 4 months or whatever. But what I think about this palette is kind of cool. You know, it's good for you natural girls, you know, you dramatic girls. If you guys just love makeup, you love having a lot of it, then I really do believe this is a palette for you to go get and try. A little bit of a complaint though, I don't like the fact that this is Porsche glitter, you know, pressed glitter, because it's really like, it's really easy to maneuver around, but I was expecting a little bit like more dryness. But anyway, my thoughts, don't worry about me. But anyway, other than that, the look came out pretty good. I used as many colors as I could possibly do for this look. Okay, girl. I used as many colors as I possibly could to give you guys this look. Now I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to read the description if you want to see everything that I used today. However, this lipstick, it looks really good. It's very hydrating, but it's not hydrating. Like, it's mattifying but not dry. I love that. I love that, and I'm very excited about it because it's like, it's mine. It's mine. I made it, girl. I did that. I did that. So without further, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look here, and I'll bring more to you guys soon. Bye. My father love you. I love you. And be blessed until we meet again. Let me know what videos you would like to see next, because you know that I would love to bring them back to you. Also, if you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram. Also, follow me on TikTok. You guys, I have so much fun on TikTok. I dance, I do Madea, I just do everything. Now I am gonna give you guys an update, more updates, more videos are coming up on palettes. I got more palettes to share with you guys. A lot of brands really contact me about different products they want me to showcase on my channel, but it's a lot just I'm not, you know, if I don't really use your stuff, I'm really not gonna really respond like that, because, you know, no offense, but I got so much stuff that I want to make a video on, you know what I'm saying? There's more of the scoop on my own line, okay? I got my own makeup line, and guys, I'm gonna give you more information about that probably sometime next month or whatnot. But comment, share, and subscribe. Bring your friends, girl, because you guys are welcome. Everybody is welcome to my channel, and I want you guys to come and subscribe, because it feels like I'm so alone. Anyway, see you guys.